Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Poco M5. You have three different options to make a screenshot on this phone, and the first one is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time. Then you see it made a screenshot. The second option is to go to your drop-down menu and then click here on screenshot. Then it will make a screenshot. The third option you have is to put 3 fingers on the screen and slide down real quick. If you then click on the screenshot, welcome to Screenshot Editor. We can now edit our screenshots, we agree. We can then crop our screenshot or write on it, whatever you want to do, and then save it. If you then go to your gallery, you find your screenshot here on all the other screenshots we took. If you want to edit a screenshot after, you can just click on it and then click on that little symbol here. Then you have the option to crop it here, put a filter on, write on it, whatever you want to do, and then click on save. So then the added edition of your screenshot is saved here. That's how you make a screenshot on your Poco M5. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.